Today we're looking at a strategy which has a 91% win rate. The name of the strategy is Triple RSI Trading Strategy. We called it RSI Trading Strategy because it's based on the relative strength indicator. Here you can see the equity curve of the backtest we did. We will come back to the backtest. So what's the strategy about? Well, the trading strategy is about exploiting pullbacks in a long-term rising trend. Because the stock market normally goes up because of inflation and productivity gains. And here we have put in a chart for you which shows the US stock market from 1850 until today. However, nothing is linear, and as you can see here, you have some panics along the way. And the strategy looks for short-term pullbacks where we are invested just a few days per trade. Let's look at the trading rules. So we are interested in backtesting the stock market, and as a proxy for the stock market we use S&P 500 and the ETF with the ticker code SPY. This one is called Spider. So the trading rules are like this. The 5-day RSI is below 30. The 5-day RSI reading is down for the third day in a row. The 5-day RSI was below 60 3 trading days ago, and the close is higher than the 200-day moving average. And the last rule is we put in as a filter for trend. We only want to have it when it's in a rising trend, and the 200-day moving average is pretty good at filtering this. So the exit is when the 5-day RSI is above 50. Let's look at a trade example. And you can see here this line, which is the 200-day moving average. And here you can see the green arrow, which is a buy signal, and the red arrow, which is the sell signal. Now let's switch to Amy Broker, where we did the backtest. Here you can see the trade list. So it's not many trades, it's just 78 trades over this time period. So let's end this video with the backtest results. There are 78 trades since 1993, so it's not many. The average gain per trade is 1.4%. 91% of the trades are winners, and you are invested on average just 6 days per trade. So overall, we would say this is a pretty good result. If you want more trading strategies, we have hundreds of them on our webpage quantifiedstrategies.com.